Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so we're going to check out some must-watch fall hair transformations. Here we have a bob makeover. Stylist did add some curtain bangs here, playing into that trend that we are seeing for 2024. Very cute style. Ooh, gorgeous blonde pixie for the next makeover. I love it. I love the cut, the color, the outfit, just everything, the whole vibe. So moving on to look number 3. Looks like she's getting some color put in here. Oh, she does the undercolor trend with this beautiful blue. Oh, I love the way that this came out. Oh, so pretty. The blue next to the black just makes the color even more striking. This is just such a fun style. And moving on to the next transformation. She ends up getting this gorgeous platinum pixie, beautiful against her complexion. And platinum is definitely a hot hair trend that we are seeing this year. Ooh, so we have like a mullet style here. Another edgy look with the pieces of yellow mixed in. Very cute. And then we have a DIY makeover. So she has this copper colored hair. It looks like she is ready to do a buzz cut. What in the world? All that hair gone, and she's rocking out this beautiful buzz cut style. Does still feature a little bit of copper. She definitely has the cheekbones for the style. So moving right along, we have someone who's in the salon for some color. Doing that split dye hair trend. Wait, did I say split dye? Oh, she went bronze. So that's the color between being a brunette and blonde. Beautiful. I don't know why I thought she was going to do like a split dye trend. The split tie trend is back though, by the way. So here we have someone else cutting their hair. Looks like she might be doing pixie. Let me stop guessing what people are doing with their hair, because clearly she's doing a buzz cut here. Wow, 2 buzz cut styles in one video. She looks gorgeous too with the buzzy, very nice. And then we have someone with this stunning curly natural hair. Beautiful head of hair. Looks like she's getting a shape up and trim. Then the hair is defined and a shaggy cut with curls. Oh, look at that fro, so beautiful. And then here we have a big chop transformation. So she just cut off this long braid. She ends up getting a nice bob makeover. Beautiful classic bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.